Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny Rizzo. Marketing ain't easy. Just wanted to touch base about a quick topic today that I'm making some macaroni. I was thinking about, whether or not you need to go to college or how you should start your career in advertising. Because we talk, I work with the trades a lot, plumbing, heating, HVAC, type stuff, and electrical guys. And I hear a lot that, college isn't for everybody. This picture I took at Warped Tour. It was a good one. Anyways, you know, they say college isn't for everyone, and that's fine. I'm okay with that. And the question is, do you need to go to college for a career in advertising, or marketing and stuff, and the creative fields, writing, photography, graphic design, any of that kind of stuff. And I it looks good on paper, but I also have to say you don't necessarily need college for it. I think you definitely need a good work ethic, though. You got to be, you really got to be grinding it out and work hard and on learning your craft. That being said, though, mentorship is a great way to go. I was a mentor for maybe 7 or 8 students, for interns, really, and they had a program. It was like through a school for a lot of them, but I taught them from the beginning, and it was a heck of a lot cheaper than going to college and getting student loans like I got. And I got my MBA after I went, got the BA. But it's a question I've thought a lot about. I got my sous vide machine over here too. If you haven't sous vide'd, you got to try it. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you think if is college necessary? I mean, nowadays with student loan debt like crazy, and the world is changing. It seems like everybody's got a bachelor's now, though. Most people, and it's the new high school diploma. I think masters may be that way someday, but do you really need it? And I think no, you don't. As long as you're really good. All right, and that's what it is, anyways. Even if you get a bachelor's, you still have to be really good at what you do. It's just it helps you, learn the soft skills, time management, especially in writing. You know what I mean? Think about writing. I mean, you got to learn. You're writing. I wrote essays upon essays upon essays in college. If you're not going to school, it may be tough to get the kind of experience you need to be a copywriter. But maybe you got a knack for sales, and you can write just copy for sales pretty easily. I mean, it's not rocket science. It's just, if you're a reader and a writer in general, maybe write stories a lot, maybe you've been working with companies a lot, I don't know if you need it. I don't know if you need all those essays and stuff in college that you're going to write, theses and stuff, whatever. How about, photography? Just take a lot of pictures, right? But that's not exactly the idea. You got to really have a plan when you're learning how to do photography, you know what I mean, in the right way. Wrong ways. It's not just trial and error. You got to really learn about lighting. You need to learn about the rules of photography, the physics behind lenses and pictures and light. That, and then graphic design. Similarly, you have to learn how about the programs, the software, Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere. Our audio production. Same thing. I mean, do you really need college for that stuff? No, I don't think you do. But you really better have a really good work ethic, and be a good. Still have to learn a lot. It doesn't mean you don't have to learn, but I think you can still go a long way without the college. See, the thing is though, getting a job in the industry may be easier, to get through the door, just their foot in the door, if they see that you have a degree on paper. That's where I think the debate is. The crux of the arguments there is getting in the door of some place. I think it's a lot easier with a degree. You know what I mean? I think they see those letters on a paper, and it makes them want to look at your darn work. But hopefully, if you can get, if you're good enough, and maybe you have to win competitions, and then they see your stuff, or you have to be next level if you don't go to college, and you just need to, somehow get them in front of your work without a resume, which it doesn't always take. Just good maybe foot in the door, somebody vouches for you. You know, that's okay. But you know, that's the question. What do you guys think? I don't know what everybody else thinks, and it's a common question. But let's tackle it for the marketing and advertising industry. I think if you're really good at what you do, maybe you don't need college. But hey, I don't think college hurts. You know what I mean? It's expensive. So, all right, that's it for today. Nothing crazy. Just make some pasta and thinking. Let me know what you think. College or not? No college.